got a scarf activity you can use with the song Love Somebody. Love Somebody is a simple song you can teach your students in one class time, and then you can do some fun things with scarves. For example, on the word love, you could have everyone toss their scarf. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. So we could have them stand and toss their scarf. Or you could sit in a circle and have them pass on the word love. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. If you don't want to have your students tossing the scarf, you could have them just flip it out. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, and then I'd have them do a different action, but I won't tell who. Okay, so with the scarf, you could combine all of those activities into a nice 10-minute scarf movement activity. You could have them toss, you could have them pass, you could have them wave it up and down, and then finally you could have them just do their own moves to the song. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. And so forth. And that's a fun thing to do. So there's 4 different things you could do with a scarf for one song, Love Somebody. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.